Just put the camera right in my face. Hey, what's up, guys? How you all doing? We're out here. Look at that.
Hey, we got a late start today. It's Saturday. We're going up to the Cranberry. We're gonna do some trout fishing.
What's up, guys? We're just pulled in. We're getting our waders on. We're getting ready to fish. Do a little trout fishing.
Hey, be careful.
I'm filming you all right. Hey, make sure I am filming.
Hey, yeah, you're filming. You're popped up in the sky though.
Hold on, let me look at my...
Wipe your lens off a little bit. There it is. That's good, like that.
I know. This is a Cranberry River. And Jared's gonna catch a trout right here.
Hey, you got a bite?
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even jerk. Where's your little pink eggs?
Oh, that's my truck.
Wow.
Freaking weirdo.
It's not even filming.
This dude disappeared up the river. There's not a lot of big holes in this river. So, best thing you can do is spread out. Don't get too much pressure on the fish. Ooh, he found a deep hole right here. I bet he's right here fishing. Hold on now. So far so good. We ain't drowned yet. This is gonna be our first night sleeping in the truck bed. It's gonna be down in the teens. I think we found the spot. We're gonna set up right here. It's slower moving water. It's pretty deep. I'm not seeing any, but it's worth a shot. You get any bites?
No, you?
Not a one.
I don't think they're in these exclusive holes. Because I think that guy, he went way up and he said he didn't get a bite, so I think we're gonna go to like these community holes.
Let's go try a community hole.
Yeah, this road goes for like 11 miles. You can't bring a four-wheeler or anything in it. Just strictly walking or a bike. We just talked to a guy at the parking lot. He said he's been here since 11 o'clock and fished this place for like 25 years. Never caught a fish today. Didn't even have a bite, but hope's still high. He didn't bring anything to eat either. I did. Howdy. Cool. Oh. Heck yeah!
Originally Portland, Oregon, but I'm not having to river.
Go up there? Prescott Bay.
Okay.
He's from Erie.
Where do you
Oh, no way.
Shop?
yeah, as far as getting bait and shit.
You guys got a Tilton stream or something up there.
Okay.
You all caught any?
I've only thrown out Port
Howdy.
We just set up today.
Just chilling out.
It's we had to go get probably about 10,
Yeah.
15.
We camp in our truck, and that's my little setup. I got little saws I always bring.
I saw the
But
back of your truck. I like that slide in.
oh, thank you, dude. Thank you, man.
Did you make it or did you buy it?
We made it.
That's awesome.
Yep.
That's really cool. You got a little slide in two sides? Okay. That's sweet.
Yeah, but we go fucking everywhere. We're getting it. Maybe just blow on it, bub.
What?
Just putting the camera right in my face. Hey, what's up, guys? How you all doing? Pretty good? I'm just changing. Thought you guys might want to see me change. What are you all doing this weekend? We're out here. Look at that. Camping. Got fire going. Making of our baked potatoes.
What do you make with that? Oh my god. Peppers and potatoes? Hey, yo, it's peppers and potatoes. Don't be a hater.
Peppers and potatoes. Don't be no haters. This is our first camera trip in the new truck bed. So we're all set up in there. We got our little, we got everything here. A little bit of salt and then pepper. Yeah. Dude, I swear this song was one of the best songs ever. I'm telling you, ever. Can you get a better day than this? I mean,
Andrew, what are those?
what are those? It shouldn't be like that roaring of a fire.
No, do not cook potatoes like this.
No,
Use hot
you
coals.
probably shouldn't.
We gotta keep the warmth. We can't sacrifice for the potatoes. Thumbnail.
Tell me why you can go your own way. Sticker.
I am not kidding you right now. Probably one of the best meals I've ever ate in my life. How cold do you think it is right now, Jared?
It's at least fucking 15.
It's going to Tina's tonight. It's probably like 12:50. Alright, so we're in the lounge. It's such a good time. And honestly, guys, if you all want to do a truck bed camping, it's worth it. 100%. You can go anywhere in the world. We got heat, we got a bed, we got storage, we got food, we got everything we want. What's up, guys? 7:30 in the morning. Jared's in there. He couldn't take it last night in the truck. But look at this. There's complete ice in here. It's gotta be empty. Well, the generator ran out of gas last night, so our heater turned off. Now that's a view you want to see early morning. Let's go wake up Jared. Start the truck, dude. What are you doing?
How are we gonna get out?
They didn't say it was so cold.
Can we get a hotel room next time?
Did you get warm last night?
The truck said it was 12 degrees.
Nah. Just look, Jared. Maybe this is it. Wow. Is that how you do it? Wow.
Yep. What up, guys? So we're back home. Well, we're not back home. We're in Charleston. Thanks for tuning in again for this week. Gonna get some pizza. You're dressed up for the occasion. Look how fancy he is.
So much better than last night. So we did the concert. We went to the Cranberry. We're on our way home right now. We're getting ready to go home. We got to go to work on Monday, and we'll start all over again next weekend. Stay tuned with us, guys.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next weekend.